Deep in Transylvania lies the legacy of Saxon settlers from the Holy Roman Empire to the west. Breathtaking is one of the largest villages built by the Saxons, who arrived here in the 12th century and whose culture flourished for 800 years. Like all Saxon villages, Breathtaking has a fortified church built to resist relentless attacks by the Turks. The defensive system consisted of towers and bastions to reinforce the 3 protecting walls. The villagers could take refuge here and withstand long sieges. Founded in the 16th century, the Church of Breathtaking was a prestigious place of worship. Lavishly decorated, it was the seat of the Lutheran Evangelical Bishop of Transylvania. The Saxons developed a prosperous civilization on the central Romanian plains. But danger was never far away, as the fortified Church of Breathtaking suggests. It was the most impregnable Saxon citadel of the time. The walls are 45 feet high and 19 feet thick. The sheltered walkways offered a place for all kinds of daily activity. The reconstruction of the school recalls the unique culture of the Saxons, combining traditions from Western Europe with those borrowed from the East. The walls surrounding the building were designed to accommodate the villagers during sieges waged by the Ottomans. 272 cells are laid out on 4 levels. They were used to house families and store provisions. At the center of the citadel is the soul of the fortress, a 13th century Gothic church. These fortified churches were inscribed on UNESCO's World Heritage List in 1993. In the heart of Moldavia, religious buildings erected in the 15th and 16th centuries reveal the Byzantine Empire's influence in a region once at the mercy of Ottoman attacks. The Church of the Resurrection in Sesevita Monastery is one example of these magnificent structures. The exterior walls are covered in lavish frescoes in vivid colors. Saints, prophets, and martyrs are depicted in various poses. On the north wall of the building, a rare composition addresses the congregation. It depicts Saint John of the Ladder, a monk who lived on Mount Sinai. Monks, helped by angels, ascend the holy ladder to heaven. Those who lose their footing, the damned who have not followed the correct path, plunge into the abyss of hell. There are other beautiful monasteries in the hills and valleys of Moldavia. The Sanctuary of Moldavita was founded in 1532. Enclosed within a wall, the church, dedicated to the Annunciation, is an impressive painted structure in the Byzantine style. Displayed on one of these walls, a fresco dramatically portrays a major event of the time, the Siege of Constantinople. In 1453, the Turks assaulted the city for more than 40 days until it fell. However, the artists of Moldavita continue to honor the memory of the Eastern Empire. Situated above the entrance of the building is a depiction of the apocalypse. It's a recurring theme in the iconography of these churches. The interior of the church is richly decorated as well. In accordance with Orthodox custom, the altarpiece is a painted, gilded, wooden iconostasis. The walls are a brightly colored gospel. These largely unknown painted masterpieces were classified as World Heritage by UNESCO in 1993.